a new video from Colored and Confetti. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a face covering. So this idea came about because I was doing my weekly grocery shopping while social distancing at Walmart, and recently the CDC has said that you needed to wear face masks, or they were encouraged. Where I live, we actually have to wear them mandatorily in any indoor building. I went to Walmart. They were completely sold out of anything that was resembling a face covering or bandanas. The craft section, they had nothing. So my husband actually had the idea to get a t-shirt and cut the sleeve off an old t-shirt. All you're going to need to make this face covering is an old t-shirt that you have lying around your closet. You're actually just going to be cutting off the sleeve of a shirt. You're gonna want to ensure that you cut above the seam, which is where the shoulder actually meets the sleeve. So yeah, you just wanna make sure you cut well enough to where the seam meets the shoulder. Here I've already cut the sleeve, and this is what it looks like after you cut it. Again, that's the shoulder part of the sleeve, and this is just how it looks. It's pretty easy to pull it up over your head. You just want to make sure that the part with the elastic actually goes up around your nose so that there is tension, so that it does actually stay on your face. If you like today's topic, you can visit my blog, which will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a nice day.